Hi guys, it's Leticia. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to try this RIT synthetic fiber dye. I saw a TikTok a while ago and yeah, I just thought what better way to like repurpose old clothes. And yeah, so I got some things out and of course I want to dye my old white Converse because I don't know, just for fun. I mean, they're pretty old now and I've never had brown Converse, so I just thought I'll just use my old white ones and yeah, and give them a makeover. I'm going to dye my old white Converse into a chocolate brown color. Hopefully it works and I don't ruin them. So yeah, I bought this synthetic fiber dye from Michael's, I believe, the other day, and yeah, like brown during this season, I think it's very trending right now, so I don't have a lot of brown clothes, so I thought what a better way to repurpose some old Converse and some old clothes. I did wash the shoelaces and the Converse in the washing machine, but obviously there's still like stains on it. Okay, so I also want to dye one of Adrian's shirts, an old white shirt of Adrian's, and I got an old white shirt of mine, and I might do these pants as well. I feel like these pants just need to be darker brown. These are like khaki beige. So yeah, I think I need to put some tape around these. I don't know, I saw people do it with tape around it and some people did it without it. It is old clothes. I mean, these Converse I do use all the time, but hopefully I won't ruin them. Let's go see if I have tape. Be right back. I think I'm gonna use this Gorilla Tape. I did tape it. Honestly, I really won't mind if that round part, rubber part gets dyed or not. So I'll just leave that alone. Let's go to the kitchen and get everything ready. I ended up doing the two shirts and the Converse together. I'm heating up water again because I do want to do the pants, so I'm heating up water again. I'm not sure why I didn't just reuse that water, but whatever, it's fine. I'll just do it all over again. I'm gonna rinse these in warm water and then I'm gonna rinse them again later in cool water. I'm going to show you how the clothes and shoes turned out. Yeah, I think I ruined my Converse. I didn't seal the rubber part very well, so a lot of water went through it. I more or less tried to like, you know, like clean it up, and eventually I ended up painting it. Also, the tape that I used was way too strong of a tape, so when I went to pull the tape out, like the glue from the tape stayed on the shoe. I don't know, it has been a process with those shoes. The clothes turned out great in my opinion. The pants did come out a little darker than what I was expecting or what I wanted, but I'm gonna show you how they turned out, and then I am going to try them out in a few different like combinations and see what I'm gonna wear for the day. Let me show you guys the Converse. This is how the Converse turned out. I'm not sure how I feel right now. I don't know if you can tell that they were painted. Like if you see them from close, you can really tell, but I mean, I don't know, like you would have to just like really like pay attention. I don't know, maybe I would still wear them either way. I probably would still wear them. Also, I ruined like this little area. So now they just look older, I guess. This shirt, I think, is my favorite outcome. Yeah, I tried ironing it right now, but I didn't do a very good job apparently. I think this one turned out really cool. I love the shade of brown that it has now, and then like the moon and the sun. I don't know, it looks cool. This is how the pants turned out. Here's the back side. They turned out a little darker than what I wanted, but I think I will still make use of them. Adrian's shirt turned out pretty cool as well. This is the only shirt now that he owns that is brown. I don't have a lot. I think I have like maybe one blouse. So yeah, we definitely needed brown in our wardrobe. This is the outfit that I'm going to stay with for my outfit of the day today. These pants are super comfortable. This t-shirt is comfortable, and well, Converse are always comfortable. Although I feel like they might have shrunk a tiny bit. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but they still feel comfortable. They just feel a little tighter. You know what, I'm very happy with the outcome. My shoes are a little ruined, but I'm still gonna wear them, so who cares? The only thing I do recommend if you try this is make sure that you tape them well, and then maybe not submerge them. I think that's another thing I shouldn't have done. I should have just flipped them over and just let them, I should have just dipped them, flip them over, dip them, just the part that I wanted stained, and tried better to not paint the rubber part. Other than that, I love the color, and if you don't pay close attention, you can hardly tell that I did a bad job on it. But either way, it was a fun project. Now I have more brown clothes, and so does Adrian. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like if you liked. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.